In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on YouTube notifications. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open YouTube on your device. You can see over here, YouTube has been opened. Tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for notifications and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to manage the notification settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. You have to turn on all these notifications one by one. For example, if you want to turn on the notification for scheduled digest, what you have to do is toggle on this button right next to the option for scheduled digest. Now you can see over here the notification for scheduled digest will be turned on. Likewise, you'll have to follow the same process for each one of it. If you do not want to do it one by one and if you want to turn it on at once, what you have to do is simply go to the device settings. So for that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for YouTube and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Here too you'll be able to find this option for notifications. So what you have to do is tap on this option notifications. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to turn on the notifications one by one, or you can also turn it on at once. So for that, what you have to do is toggle on this button for all YouTube notifications. Now after you do that, the notification for YouTube will be turned on. So that is how you turn on YouTube notifications. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.